Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 22nd October 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, whenever you explain to anyone or give a lecture, do so while saying, Baba, Baba. Praise the Father and the arrow will strike the target. Question. Which question does Baba especially ask you children of Bharat? Answer. You children of Bharat were wealthy, you belonged to the deity religion and were 16 celestial degrees full. You were pure, you never used the sword of lust. You were very wealthy, so how did you become bankrupt? Do you know the reason? Children, how did you become slaves? Where did you lose your wealth and property? Just think about how you became impure from pure. When you children explain these aspects to others while saying, Baba, Baba, they will easily understand. Essence for Dharana. First is, in order to be successful in the service do, renounce arrogance and continue to mention Baba's name in all contexts. Stay in remembrance and do service. Don't waste your time in gossiping. Second is, become a true Vaishnav. Don't commit any violence. Break your intellect's yoga away from your body and all bodily relations. Blessing for today. May you become great in serving by learning the lesson of Haji, yes indeed, and become worthy of receiving everyone's blessings. Details are, while doing service in happiness and with enthusiasm, also pay attention to the way you do service so that you also receive everyone's blessings. This is because where there are blessings, there will not be hard work. Now, simply have the aim of receiving blessings from those you come into contact with. Learning the lesson of Haji is the way to receive blessings. Even if some are wrong, do not push them down further by saying that they are wrong, but give them support and enable them to stand up. Be cooperative and you will receive blessings from them through their contentment. Those who become great in receiving blessings become great automatically. Slogan is, as well as being a hard worker, also keep the aim of becoming hard, strong in your stage. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Experiment on yourself and others with your mind with the powers of yoga. The experimentation of yoga means to experiment and see the effects of your pure thoughts on your body, mind and sanskars, and you will then continue to move forward. In this, do not look at one another. What is this one doing? This one is not doing this. Are the older ones doing this or not? Do not look at these things. First of all, experience this effect because this is a matter of personal effort. When you busy yourself in making personal effort in this way and you experience growth in yourself, then the collective power of the silence of each one will make an impact on the world.